Hey guys, Robert here with Wonder Off-Road. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Join in the adventure. Also, we are on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. 4 different ways to follow the adventure, 4 different ways to join us in the future. All right, guys, catch you guys next time. Hey guys, it's Robert here with Wonder Off-Road. And today's adventure, we're going to Baja. Today this trip was put together by Baja Overland. Big shout out for this guy, he organized this group. And we came down here to do a special mission. Help clean up some beaches. Now this trip was very fun. There's a lot of new people on this one we got to meet. And so we really had a great time getting everyone together. And before we knew it, we were all packed up, ready to go. Everybody just headed out. And boy, there are some great views as you drive along the coast. Just wow. This place really does have some beautiful beaches and some great sights to see as you drive out this way. Of course, there is a toll road along this road, but the tolls are very inexpensive. Now, this being my first trip out to Baja in many years, this was a really great experience to come out and just be with a good group of people, get some off-road wheeling. Wonder Off-Road, we do love our off-roading and our trailing. And this trail was very easy. This was a 2-wheel drive vehicle, as you saw, could make this. Though, I always recommend ground clearance, because especially after the storm that just hit this area, some of the roads were a little rutted, but nothing inaccessible. They all were pretty sturdy and stood up to what happened. But we really came down here for a good mission, get some beach cleanup, get some good time by the water, and more or less just have a good adventure. And this is really all thanks to Baja Overland. Now this beach right here, we did not get to stay at, but this was a really nice, beautiful view we got to be at. And we got to clean up this whole area. The Hurricane Hillary that has just hit a few days prior to us coming out here really did a lot of the work. But there was still a lot of trash left behind. But this was a really good time. Alright guys, we finally made it out here. Now we came to do, now we were here, what we're doing. Beach cleanup time. Now at Wonder Off-Road, we do believe in the leave no trace. So we're doing our part to help leave no trace. These were unfortunately blown ashore probably a while back, but we're doing our part to help clean this up. Now this was an all hands experience. Everybody did pitch in to really help clean up this beach. And that's what really matters, when a group of people could come together, clean up an area. Now our host did also give us, a really good time. After we were done with the cleanup, he had a gentleman show up and make paella for us. And I'll tell you what, this was a very delicious meal. Fresh paella right there on the spot. Guys, Baja Overland really knows how to put on a great event. And man, I am sure glad I came along with them. Now this area we stayed at, I'm not sure what this part of it's called, but it was a very nice spot to stay at. And it has some amazing views just right there as you stay along the shore. So if you guys get a chance to come out here, this is located just outside of San Vicente and is a really nice spot. Though I do recommend you come with a group of friends and you guys can have a good night stay here at the beach. Now the next day, as you can read right here, a few of us decided to stay an extra day because, well, we had the time off. So why not enjoy the more Baja that you can get? And what better way to do that was go to another beach. So after a quick refuel and grabbing some extra snacks for the road, we sure headed up this trail and ended up at this beautiful beach. La Bocana. Now, this beach is really nice. We actually end up having this all to ourselves this weekend. And I'll tell you what, this was a great one to stay and really enjoy our one extra day of a Baja adventure. I understand why people come out here. Look at the beautiful ocean right behind me, the beautiful scenery. It's a great spot to come out and just really explore. And that's what we're all about Wonder Off-Road. Just get out and explore, having the adventure. And also just good times, some good people. And there's some good people right behind me right now. Tim, what's your favorite part about coming out here to Baja?
I would say the off-roading and the beaches.
Off-roading and the beaches. Yeah, can't go wrong with that. And we really did find a gem of a spot. To have this spot right here so we could have our own little hideout from the wind and enjoy this beautiful beach that was all to ourselves. So Ray, what's been your favorite spot about coming out here to Baja?
Oh, la gente muy bonita.
Hold on guys. For my English viewers, check this. Try it again.
People are lovely.
Oh, okay. Yeah. All right, we're making our way out here to the water. Oh, it's nice out here. Oh, woo, it's cold. That is cold. I already stepped in a little puddle over here, and yeah. Oh, yay. I'll tell you what, guys, that was a great plunge I just took. Oh man, this water rejuvenates you afterwards. After about a full day's worth of driving, but you're here and you get a private beach all to yourself. Look at this. Ooh, tide's coming in, and it's coming in fast. All right. What do you think, Ray? Right?
Sir.
With so much adventure we've had on this trip, it was really a great time to be out here, really explore, and guess what? I'm gonna have to plan myself another adventure out to this area. Baja is really one of those treats, and if you've never been, maybe you should plan one. Maybe you should come out in here. And as always, take a good group of friends, have a good time, have, best memories you could ever make out here. And that's what really Wonder Off-Road is all about. We're out about to make friends, about to have some good memories. And most importantly, some wheeling. And no trip can be complete without some off-road driving and some adventure. But like all good things, it must come to an end. And Wonder Off-Road, we love our adventures. But guess what? Once one adventure ends, it's time to plan the next adventure. And that's what we're going to do. So always, guys, if you want our content, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let's help the channel grow. And also, we are on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. There's 4 different ways to find our adventures. And if you want to join us on one, stay tuned to any of our platforms. We plan trips all the time. And also, thank you again, guys, if you watched this far. Hit that subscribe button down at the bottom. Guys, you have really helped make this channel grow. And I will say this, at 245 subscribers, I thank all you guys over here on YouTube for really putting in the effort. Guys, thank you again. This is Robert with Wonder Off-Road, signing off.